Hello, Da Vinci. Welcome back. This is our maths lesson for the 26th of the 1st, 2021. So we're going to start off with our arithmetic. So get yourself ready. Right. So with my trusty ruler, I'm going to be able to hopefully get some of these questions spot on. So let's start off with this one. 2 and 2. Well, I'm going to do that one in my head because counting in twos, I'm getting a little bit better at that. What I could do, just to help me out, I could start from 2 and I'm going to jump 2 spaces. My answer is going to be 4. So for an answer of 4 to start off with the first one, let's write in 4. Then what have we got? 7 take away 2. So 7 take away 2. I'm going to start from 7 taking away 2. 1, 2. My answer is 5. Just like putting up 7 fingers and putting 1, 2 down. I've got 5 left. So 5 here. Let's do my 5. Super. Now, 20 add 2. I haven't got 20 fingers. I can't do that without using my ruler. So I'm going to start off by making myself a little bit bigger. Here we go. Find 20. There it is. I'm going to add on 2. 1, 2. My answer is that it's going to be 22. 22. You might notice I'm writing a lot neater. I've got a bit of a new gadget I'm using with my new pen. So it means that I'm writing on something and it's coming on the board. So let's hope it looks a lot neater. Something, add something is 13. Starting from 13. Can pick any number before 13 because it's an add. So I'm going to choose 8. I'm going to choose 8, add what? So I'm going to write in first here, 8. And what am I adding? What am I adding to get there? I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8, add 5 equals 13. Spot on. Right, let's now work on challenge 2. 41 add 13. Can't do 41 add 13 on a ruler. So let's write in 41 add 13. So 41 add 13. 1 add 3. That's going to give me 4. 4 add 1. That's going to give me 5. My answer is 54. Writing 54 up here. Spot on. Right, rub that out. Here we go. 4 lots of 2. Now, this is what we've been working on from yesterday. 4 lots of 2. I've got 4 groups and I have 2 in each group. That's what it's asking me. 4 lots of 2. So it could be 4 lots of 2. It could be 4. Oh, no, sorry. If I just do that, 4 lots of 2 equals, it could be 2 add 2 add 2 add 2 equals, that's what it's asking me, but it's also just like showing 1, 2, 3, 4 lots of 2 in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My answer for that's going to be 8. 4 add something is 15. I'm going to use my trusty ruler. 4 add something is 15. Put my finger on 15. Put my finger on 4. Now I'm going to go from 4 to 15 and count how many jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 jumps until I get to 15. So next one, something add something is 79. Wow, what a big number that is. So let's put my, I put my ones and my tens in my tens and ones column of 79. I'm going to make it up using this method. I'm going to choose, I could make 9 by using a 5 and a 4. And I can make 7 by using a 2 and a 5. So 25 add 54, 5 add 4 is 9, 2 add 5 is 7. So my answer is going to be this one. Now, it's not to say that there is not another way of you answering that. There's lots of different ways you can answer that. But you need to Mark your own answers so we can get this lesson going. Right. So moving on. Just to make sure that sound doesn't happen again. So learning objectives. Can I make multiplication sentences from pictures of lots of groups? Right. In today's lesson, we're going to be focusing on identifying the lots of. So how many lots of are there? So there's this many lots of 2. How many lots of are there? So there's how many lots of 2 are there? So I've got, sorry, I have 1 lot of 2. I have 2 lots of 2. I have 3 lots of 2. And I have 4 lots of 2. I can see that there are, on this page, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. There are 4 pots, 4 lots of 2. So it's going to be, there are 4 lots of 2. That's like saying 4 lots of 2. 4 times 2. 4 lots of 2 is, and then how many pencils do I have? 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. 4 lots of 2 is 8. Let's move on to the next one. How many lots of 3 are there? This is a lot of 3. This is a lot of 3. This is a group of 3. And this is a group of 3. So, how many groups of 3 are there? Well, 1, 2, 3, and I'm sure you guessed it, 4. There are 4 lots of 3, or 4 lots of 4 groups of 3. 4 times 3 is 12, because I've counted all of those cubes. Let's go on to the next one. How many lots of 1 are there? Well, this is 1 on its own, so that is just 1. And this is just 1. And that's just 1. And this is just 1. And this one over here is just 1. So how many lots of 1 are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is 5 lots of 1, which is like saying 5 times 1. 5 times 1. How many red dots do I have all together in my groups? I've got 5. How many lots of 5 are there? So each one of these groups has 5 children in them. So how many groups are there? There's 1 group of 5. That's 2 lots of 5. 3 groups of 5. 4 groups of 5. 5 lots of 5. There are 5 lots of 5. 5 times 5. How many children are there all together? I'm going to count in my 5s to work out. 5, 10, 15 on this side, 20, 25. There are 25 children altogether. How many lots of 8 are there? Now, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 1 lot of 8. So how many lots of 8 are there? Well, there is only 1 lot of 8. There's only 1 group of grapes there that have 8 grapes on them. That is 1 lot of 8. 1 times 8. And the only thing that we can do is 8 because there's only 1 group. Can you help me match the multiplication sentence to the right picture? I've got 4 lots of 2, or 4 times 2 is 8. And I've got 3 lots of 5. 3 times 5 is 15. So 3 lots of 5. Which one of these pictures shows 3 lots of 5? Well, I can see that this picture on this side has 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. That's not 3. This side's got 1, 2, 3 groups. 3 lots, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each one. 3 lots of 5. 3 times 5 is 15, which means this one must be 4 lots of 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So we should have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups, and there are 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8 in each group. So we can see that this is 4 lots of 2. 4 times 2 is 8. That is correct. Right, let's move on to the next one. Can you help me match the multiplication sentences to the right picture? 1 lot of 8, 1 times 8. And we also have 2 lots of 4, 2 times 4. So 2 groups of 4 and 1 group of 8. Which one is 1 group of 8 and which one is 2 lots of 4? Well, this is going to be 1 group of 8 because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 grapes and there's only 1 group. This one must be 2 lots of 4 because there are 2 flower pots, 1, 2, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers in each flower pot. The next one. This is your challenge time. Can you match the multiplication sentence to the picture? So challenge 1, you need to tell me which one is the correct sentence. Is it these pictures here? You've got 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So looking at all of those footballs together, is there 2 lots of 2, 2 times 2, or is there 4 groups of 2, 4 times 2? And you can count how many footballs are all together. There is only going to be one answer for this. Is it answer A or answer B? They're not 2 different questions. They're the same answers for question 1. You need to tell me which one's the right one. Question 2 for challenge 1. Can you match the multiplication sentence to the picture? We've got 2 lots of 5, 2 times 5, or 3 lots of 5, 3 times 5. How many groups do we have here? How many is in each group? And then match it to the right number sentence. Can you match the multiplication sentence to the picture? This is challenge 2. Is it 3 lots of 3 and 3 times 3? Or is it 4 lots of 3, 4 times 3? You tell me the answer. Can you match the multiplication sentence to the challenge? So your picture here for challenge 2, is it 6 lots of 1, 6 times 1? Or is it 5 lots of 5, 5 times 5? What do you think? For challenge 3, can you match the sentence to the picture? Is it 6 lots of 3, 6 times 3, or is it 3 lots of 6, 3 times 6? You need to read those carefully. Is it 6 lots of 6 or 6 groups of 5? Which one? Is this picture here showing 6 groups of 6 or 6 groups of 5? Your extension is to draw 6 groups of 2 rockets and then write the multiplication sentence to match. That's everything for today. Thank you very much, Da Vinci. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.